how to share YouTube video on Instagram story. Now, the very first thing we're going to do is to go to our YouTube app right here and search for the video that we want to post on our Instagram story. Let's say Taylor Swift right there. Now we just have to scroll down, and let's say I want to post this to my Instagram story. All I have to do is to click on these three dots right here and click on share. We just have to copy link and go back to Instagram. So we just have to add to our story and click on camera. You can also choose camera roll and pick a picture. Now tap on the shutter button right here and click on stickers. Now we just have to find the link sticker right here and paste the link that we have copied on YouTube. Hit done and customize the sticker. Now once you're done, you just have to hit this button and share this story to everyone. That's how to share YouTube videos on Instagram.